Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another session of tech discussion with Summer. So today we will discuss about introduction of GPT and prompt. Okay. So introduction of GPT we discussed in our last session. Okay. So what we will do is this session we will just brief you about the introduction part of this GPT, and will more focus on prompt. Okay. So we will execute some prompts also, and we'll see the results today. Okay, so let's start the session. Okay, so let's start with the introduction of GPT. Okay, so GPT stands for Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. Okay, so it is a type of artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, and this model follows transformer architecture, which is a neural network architecture. And this GPT model is GPT models are pre-trained on a large scopes of data. Okay, if you see the last line, GPT-3 released in June 2020, and it is the one of the most well-known and powerful versions of GPT series. It has 175 billion parameters. Okay, that's why it's making the largest language model of its time. Okay, 175 billion parameters. This is actually too much. So other tools, if you see, they have some million data. Okay, but this GPT-3 has 175 billion. Okay, and the recently GPT-4 released, it has more than GPT-3 also. It has more than trained data than GPT-3. Okay, so this is what the basic of the GPT. Okay, and see, GPT, like generative pre-trained transformer. Generative means what? Creative. Okay, so we are creating the text, we are creating the new text based on our requirement. Okay, so this GPT understands the text, and it gives the result as a text also. So basically, input is a text, output is also text. We cannot execute in our GPT. Okay, but we can get the result, like which we will discuss after some time, the prompts. So the thing is that whatever the results we are getting, we can use those results in our other applications. Like we can generate a code here, we can generate HTML code, we can even test also, we can create a test cases, we can create a Selenium script, everything. I mean, most of the things we can do from GPT perspective. And you can see also this is very much helpful for you and your career and everything. Okay, so we will discuss now. We'll discuss about the prompts now, and how the prompts are getting executed, and what are the prompts we are giving. That is what we will focus. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the prompts now. So today we'll discuss about the four types of prompts: classification, parse unstructured data, SQL Translate, programming languages. Okay, so there are a lot of prompts are there, but today we are planning to discuss only these four things. These four things which can be helpful for your knowledge perspective and your career perspective. So that's why I have decided to show you this four prompts. And if you want to see more, you can just ping me, or just mention in the comment section. We'll try to include more prompts. Okay, so but for today's session we'll discuss about this four prompts. Okay, so let's start with the classification one, first one. So okay, if you see, I have created three prompts regarding the classifications. Okay, so we will execute all those prompts and we'll see the results. Okay, so before that, this is the website of OpenAI. Okay, and in the last video I have shown you what are the features, what are the possibilities from GPT perspective. Okay, and some of them we have executed also. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that video, you will get all the ideas. Okay, so let's start for today's session. Okay, Okay, so let's start with the first prompt. Okay, first prompt is, I will show you what is the input. Okay, so this first prompt is about, the following is a list of companies and categories they fall into: Apple, Facebook, FedEx. Okay, so we just want to know the categories of this company. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Facebook category social media, FedEx category logistic and courier service. Okay, so Apple category is a technology, Facebook category is a social media, FedEx category is logistic and courier service. Okay, so this is how we have classified the result. Let's try one more thing. Let's try one more prompts. We'll discuss with. Okay. Okay, so we'll discuss about which of the following do you consider a snack food. Okay, so there are four options we are giving. Now GPT will try to understand which of the following considered to be a snack food. Let's try this one also. Okay, I think mhm. Snack food: fruits, chips, popsicles. Okay, fruits, chips, popsicles, perfect. Vegetables not a snack food. Okay, so answers are correct, coming correctly. So these are the basic things. We'll go to more complex, little bit complex, not very much complex, but little bit more we will go. So slowly we are starting. Okay, let's try another prompt from classification. This one we have executed in the last video also. Okay, so this video also I'm executing. So this prompt is all about sentiment analysis. Okay, so classify the sentiment in these tweets. So there are 5 statements we have given. In this 5 statements, it will try to understand uh, uh, what is the sentiment of these statements. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, okay, so sentiment is in, okay, I can't, first statement is, I can't stand homework. This is a negative statement, negative sentiment. Okay, and second one is, this sucks, I'm bored. This is also negative. Third one is, I can't wait for Halloween. This is positive. See, it came as positive. My cat is adorable. This is positive. Perfect. I hate chocolate. This is negative. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the classification prompts. Okay, and now we will move to another prompt. uh, Next is parse unstructured data. Okay, so in that session, what we will do is, we will give some unstructured data. It's try to figure out the structured data. We'll show you the result now. Okay, so we'll start with the uh, unstructured data. Parse to unstructured data. Okay, let me clear the playground now. Okay, if you see here, there are two prompts I have created. Okay, let's try the first one. We'll see the result also. Okay, okay, so first one is extract information from customer complaint email. Okay, type of unstructured data, this is email, and example we have given. Okay, dear company, I'm writing to express my disappointment with customer service I received this afternoon. So basically this mail was sent by a customer. Okay, so now what the expectation is, this chat GPT will try to understand the context of this mail, and it will summarize it. What is this mail about? Okay, so let's try this one. I'm hoping that we'll get a good result. Let's see. Okay, I paid for the item, schedule a delivery for the following day. I would expect better customer service from a company of your reputations. Okay, so the above mail is all about the complaint from the customer, which they are not happy. Okay, extracted information, if you see here, customer, so basically GPT summarized it. Okay, what is the customer intention is, so customer was unsatisfied with customer service. Okay, customer called 3 p.m. but was not able to speak a customer service representative. Perfect. Customer called multiple times over the next hour without an answer. Customer arrived at the shop at 4:30 p.m. Store was closed. Customer scheduled delivery for the following day. Okay, so you can see that it's we can get the result. I mean, not we can get the summary from the mail. Okay, so most of the customer, they send a big emails. Okay, it's sometimes it's difficult to read all those mails, whatever the mail they have mentioned. So it's better to summarize it so that we'll get the context. And GPT, this GPT is a very good options to use those mails. We can get the summary and we can get, okay, this customer is happy or not. Okay, so this is a very good example we got. Okay, so let's try another prompt. Okay, okay, so table summarizing the fruits from some, I don't know, I haven't heard about this fruit name. Okay, there are a lot of fruit names are mentioned. Frankly speaking, I haven't heard about it. Okay, this is the first time I'm hearing all those things. But the expectation here is that this chat GPT will read this line and try, it will create a structured data in this format. So first it will give the fruit name, fruit color and flavor. That is what the expectation is. So let's see whether ChatGPT is able to understand this context or not. Let's see. Okay, okay, so if you see here, first is a fruit name, second is a color, which color, and the third one is a flavor. Okay, same goes for all the fruits. This is called the structured data. It in a structured way it's giving us the result. Okay, so this is what the chat GPT, so it's understands. Okay, this is the, it's tried to GPT tries to understand the context, then it will give you the result. And but we have to give the expectation here, like in which format we need the result. This is what we have given. Okay, so I hope you understood this one, parse unstructured data. Okay, now we'll move to another prompts, that is SQL Translate. Okay, we'll try this prompts now. Okay, so now we'll start with SQL Translate. Okay, I have created some prompts now. Okay, so there are three prompts. This is the basic prompts which I have created. Okay, so you can try with a big one, but since this is a training video, okay, we are just giving the overview of this prompts. I have created a small prompts for SQL. Okay, let's try the first one. Let's open the playground, clear it out. Okay, and then we'll show all records from the table student where the age is greater than 25. Okay, let's see. Okay, see the this is what the query looks like. So query got generated based on our natural language. So this GPT, it tries to understand the natural English. Okay, natural language it's tried to understand, and then based on the language it gives you the result. Okay, we can use more complicated, we can create more complicated query also, but it depends upon our prompts. What are the prompts we are giving? Based on the prompts only, GPT will try to understand the context, and chat GPT will give you the result. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's see what we can see. Okay, select all customers where their first name is John. Okay, so let's see the query is getting generated or not. Okay, select staff from customer where first name is John. Okay, so you can see the query is getting generated. You can use this query easily in your SQL server or any tool to execute the queries. Okay, even you can write a prompt also to create a table. Okay, so the chat GPT can give you the table also. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, let's clear this one. Okay, SQL translate prompts for joining three table name, student, score, class. Write a query to show the student score more than 90% in class 10. Okay, so let's see. Perfect. Okay, you can see select student name, score from the table student, and even the inner join also came. Okay, conditions it has given score is greater than 90 and class is equals to 10. So you can see the results here, right? So this may work, this may not work. Okay, but we can say at least 70 to 80% efforts we have saved using this chat GPT. Okay, remaining we can you remaining 20% we can use for corrections or I mean fixing the errors or some configurations we can use. Okay, but 80% we 80% effort we have saved. Okay, so that is all for SQL Translate. We'll try another one, last one, what is programming languages. Okay, so this one we will try and we'll see how the chat GPT behaves. So let's start with the prompts for for programming languages. Okay, so there are 4 prompts which I have created, from simple prompts to little bit complex. Okay, so let's try with the simple one. Let's see how the results will come. Let me clear the chart. Okay, this is a very simple program which I have given in a natural language, simple language which we have given. uh, Write a program that prints the number from 1 to 10. Okay, that is a simple one which I gave. Let's see for I in range 1 to 11 print I. Okay, this is the simple one, but it's giving you the code. So let's try the another prompt. Okay, this is the prompt is like convert the below Java code to C sharp. Let's see. Okay, so small Java code I gave. Okay, so let's see whether it's converting to C sharp or not. Okay, see, so the code conversion is also possible. Okay, and this is a very small one. We can give a very big one also. We can give very big one and we can get a good result also. Okay, this may be accurate or this may not accurate. Okay, but we can say 80% effort you can save here if you just planning to do the code conversion from one language to another language. And if GPT is aware of it, then definitely you will get a very good very good result. Okay, so let's try another one. Another one is okay. Okay, so I believe everyone is aware of amazon.com. Okay, you must have purchased some products from there also. So since this is a publicly available website, okay, so let me try to create some code or Selenium script. So what I have written here is create a Selenium script for amazon.com for the below steps. First step is searching iPhone 13, check the price, to cart, place the order. Okay, and then we have given some conditions also. not conditions. Like we have given the information that you have to we have to include a try catch. Okay, and whatever the variable will be created, variable name should be start with ms underscore. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, uh everything created. Okay, but something is missing. Even variable created with ms underscore price. Okay, and let's see, iphone 13. Okay, the product also it's got added. Clicking on submit. uh okay, it's okay, it has given like, so maximizing, open amazon.com, maximize window, search for iphone 13, check the price, add to cart, and place the order. Okay, so whatever the steps we have given, selenium script got generated. But one thing this got missed, that is include try catch. Okay, so what we will do is include try catch in code. Let's modify code a little bit. Okay, then again we'll run it. No, try catch is there, try option is here, and let's see catch. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's try to execute one more time. I'm hoping to get a good result. Let's see. Something got missed here. It got stop here, so we, let me check let me check the temperature here, and we'll try to execute again. Okay, so I mean, first result we got, it's a very good result we got, but this try catch option, it's not getting added. So probably, like I said, 80% effort it's saving. Okay, remaining I'm trying to execute, I'm trying to get the result. If we can get it everything, that is also good thing. See, try is coming. We all can see try is coming. Only the catch option is getting stuck here. Yeah, okay, see, now the results are coming correctly. Try, search for the product, check for the price. Okay, and add to cart, place the order. Okay, catch is also coming. Price of the iphone. Okay, it's getting the price also. What is the price of iphone 13? That is also it's printing. Okay, so sometimes we just have to modify this parameters over here, like temperature. Okay, so what model we are selecting, so we may have to modify a little bit, but we'll get the good result here. Okay, so like this one, we get a very good result. Okay, so we have saved a lot of effort using this. So basically we just have to uh, use our prompt, we have to modify our prompt, we have to show the prompts in a such a way that we'll get a good result. Okay, so I have another prompt. It's last prompt only. No. Okay, I have two more. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so basically it's tries to convert from javascript to python. Okay, so last time we tried from java to c sharp, and now we yeah, first one, yeah, Java code to C sharp. Now we are trying for JavaScript to Python. So let's see how the result comes. Okay, it's a simple one. Okay, the Python is a very easy language, so we got the result also. Okay, so that is done from this prompt. Let's try the last prompt. This is a little bit big only, so I'm hoping to get a good result also here. Let's see. Okay, okay, so basically what we are doing here is we are giving a code here. Okay, this is the code, and what we are expecting is the we have to know what is that code about. So basically we are trying to extract the business logic. What is the logic behind this code? Okay, so let's see we are getting the result or not. Okay, perfect. In a 4 lines only it gave the result. Okay, the class is designed to create log file that can be used for track events. Okay, init method used to create the file and check the new file terminated. The log method is used to add events for the log file. The state method is used for retrieve the state of the log file, any completed task, the last event. Okay, see, so basically it will just summarize the code, try to extract the business logic behind the code. So this is what the prompts about. So whatever the prompts we have executed, so those prompts are only helpful for your career and for your knowledge perspective also. We have lot of options. Okay, we have lot of prompts, but we tried only this 4 today. Okay, if you want to see more prompts, then just go to the comment section, write it down. Okay, we'll see if we can have more prompts execute in chat gpt, then obviously we'll have a separate session for that. Okay, so that is all for today's session. In the next session what we will discuss is we'll discuss about the token, what is the price, okay, of this chat gpt. So this all those things we will discuss in our next sessions. Okay, so that is all from today's sessions. Please let me know if you have any query or anything. Let me know in a comment section. Thank you very much.